Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. Before watching this video, subscribe my channel and share this to your friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about graphical method for solving n by 2 game. In the given game, check whether saddle point exists or not. If not, reduce the given game into 2 by 2 game using graphical method. In the graphical method, first you have to find B's expected payoff by assigning the probabilities y and 1 minus y for the first and the second strategy. After that, you have to find the expected gain for player B. Now draw two vertical axes. After that, plot pairs of payoff of the n strategies of player A and B on two vertical axes. Connect the points by a straight line. Now locate the lowest point on the line segments that forms the upper boundary. That lowest point is nothing but minimax point. Now identify the line that intersects this point. This reduced 2 by 2 game can be solved in the usual manner. At last, you have to find the strategies for player A and player B and value of the game. Let us move on to the problem. The given game is a 2 by 5 game. We have to convert this 2 by 5 game into 2 by 2 game using graphical method and then solve in the usual manner. First, we have to check saddle point exists or not. For that, we have to find row minimum. In the first row, the least number is minus 6. Second row, minus 5. Third row, minus 2. Fourth row, the least number is minus 2. Fifth row, the least number is minus 6. Now we have to go for column maximum. First column, maximum number is 7. Second column, maximum is 7. From the row minimum, you have to select the maximum value. Maximum value is minus 2. It comes in two places, so you can select any one. This is maximum point. From the column maximum, you have to select the minimum value. Here both the values are same, so you can select any one. This is minimax value. And here minimax value is 7, maximum value is minus 2. Both are not equal. So saddle point does not exist. If saddle point does not exist means we can go with the graphical method for solving the given game into 2 by 2 game. For the graphical method, first you have to find the B's expected payoff. For that you have to assign the probabilities y for first strategy, 1 minus y for second strategy. A's pure strategies A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. B's expected payoff is minus 6 into y plus 7 into 1 minus y. Like that you have to write all the values. Minus 6 into y plus 7 into 1 minus y is equal to 13y plus 7. Second one, 4 into y minus 5 into 1 minus y. That is 4 into y minus 5 into 1 minus y. This is equal to 9y minus 5. Next value is minus 1 into y minus 2 into 1 minus y. Minus 1 into y minus 2 into 1 minus y. This is equal to y minus 2. Next value minus 2 into y plus 5 into 1 minus y. Minus 2 into y plus 5 into 1 minus y. This is equal to minus 7y plus 5. Now the last one is 7 into y minus 6 into 1 minus y. 7 into y minus 6 into 1 minus y. This is equal to 13y minus 6. Now we have to find B's expected gain. If you put y is equal to 0, you will get 7. If you put y is equal to 1, you will get minus 6. For y is equal to 0, the second value is minus 5. If you put y is equal to 1, you will get 4. The next value, if you put y is equal to 0, you will get minus 2. If y is equal to 1, you will get minus 1. Now in the next value, put y is equal to 0, you will get 5. Put y is equal to 1, you will get minus 2. Now, if you put y is equal to 0 here, you will get minus 6. If you put y is equal to 1, you will get 7. Now you have to plot these points in the graph. First you draw two vertical axes and mark the values based on B's expected gain. In the first axis you mark 7. In the second axis you mark minus 6. Now connect these 2 points by a straight line. Next value, minus 5 in the first axis, 4 in the second axis. Connect these 2 points by a straight line. Next value, minus 2 in axis 1, minus 1 in axis 2. Connect these 2 points by a straight line. The next value is 5 and minus 2. 5 in axis 1 and minus 2 in axis 2. Connect these 2 points by a straight line. Next value, minus 6 in axis 1, 7 in axis 2. Now connect these 2 points by a straight line. After connecting all the points, you have to locate the lowest point in the upper region. Now locate the lowest point in the upper region. This is upper region. In the upper region, these are the two intersecting points. The lowest region is this one. This point we call it as minimax point. The lowest point on this upper boundary gives the expected payoff for player B. Now identify the points in the intersecting lines. The reduced game is 5, minus 2, minus 6 and 7. We have to find the value of the game using arithmetic method. For that you have to subtract these two. 5 minus of minus 2 is 7. You write across second row. 7 minus of minus 6 is 13. You write it here. Similarly, 7 minus of minus 2 is 9. You write across the first column. 5 minus of minus 6 is 11. You write across here. The total is 20. P1 and P2 are the probabilities of strategy for player A. P1 is equal to 13 divided by 13 plus 7. Given value divided by total, that is 13 divided by 20. And P2 is equal to 7 divided by 13 plus 7, that is 7 divided by 20. Now similarly we can find Q1. Q1 is equal to 9 divided by 9 plus 11, that is Q1 is equal to 9 by 20. Q2 is equal to 11 divided by 9 plus 11, that is Q2 is equal to 11 by 20. P1 and P2 are the probabilities of strategies of player A. Q1 and Q2 are probabilities of strategies for player B. Now strategy for player A is, player A use 4th and 5th strategy, P1 and P2. For P1 the value is 13 by 20. P2 the value is 7 by 20. Now strategy for player B. For B1 the chances are 9 by 20. Second strategy the probability is 11 by 20. At last we have to find the value of the game. For value of the game, either you multiply and add first or second column with the corresponding probabilities, or first and the second row with the corresponding probabilities. Now I multiply first row with the corresponding probabilities. That is 5 into 9 by 20 plus minus 2 into 11 by 20. That is 45 by 20 minus 22 by 20. This is equal to 23 by 20. So value of the game is 23 by 20. In this way, you have to reduce the given game into 2 by 2 game, and then you have to find the strategies for player A and player B. At last, you have to find the value of the game. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.